thank you for allowing us to come to the school today to La Petite Couchette. And I know this is the beginning of our meeting today, and we're ready for your tour whenever you're ready to take us on the tour.
Good. Should we go back downstairs and go all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start.
Yep.
Great, let's go. Maîtresse, comment ça va? Attends, Flo, on est à la télé, hein? Okay, so welcome to Le Petit Poussé. This school was founded like 32 years ago by my mom. And it was founded at a moment where the public schools were broken. We had a Marxist government who was having fights with teachers. And they went on strike for almost a year. And this is how most of the private schools were created, because back then, public school was the best school you could have. And all the middle classes had the school there. It was broken, and people started creating private schools like ours. And this is how it happened. This is how we were created, like 32 years ago. So right here, we are at the kindergarten level. This is kindergarten. I don't really know how to match the classes with the American system, but the kids start at 2 years old. Yes, that's the smallest class. The following one is 3 years, and the next one is 4 years. So there are 3 levels at the kindergarten. Yes, and there are 6 at the primary school.
In America, the public school starts at 5.
Okay.
Maybe 4.5 if they're potty trained.
Okay.
But mainly at 5.
Okay.
And then that's kinder for them, for us or them over there. And then 6 is like first grade.
Okay.
So for the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade, it's more like nursery or home care.
Okay, great.
Or like a daycare.
Yes.
But it's not necessarily with the public school. So it's a little bit different. I like this structure better.
Okay. Well, one of the things is that I think for the smallest one, what we do with the kids would look like daycare indeed. And then they start reading and writing and maths from the 2nd year of kindergarten.
Okay.
So right here, we'll go through the classes. So this is not how, usually you have kids everywhere. But right now, the school party is tomorrow. So we are just doing decorations. You have the team of teachers here. Tata, bonjour. Comment ça va? So we have 4 kindergarten classes at this level, 4 of them, all around the, I don't know how to say it in English, but la cour. The court is, this you say court for this place? Yes. Okay, for the court. And this year we have 75 kids at the kindergarten, yes. Wow, spread over the 4 classes.
So this is the...
Yep. Okay, great. And then we can move upstairs to the primary level. So that will be 6th grade. 6th grade. Ah! So, vous nous suivez depuis tout à l'heure. On vous a trouvé? Donc c'est nous qui vous avons trouvé alors. Vous n'avez pas fini les cours? Vous avez fini de répéter?
Oui.
Vous êtes prête?
Non, on était en train de manger. Et il a une personne qui est partie.
Et il est venu, Ruben?
Oui, c'est lui qui est parti. Il allait au soin.
Ah, donc il est vraiment malade alors?
Oui. Il a dit que son cœur bat pas dans le genou.
Oh, mais il pourra être là samedi?
Oui.
Vous allez le remplacer?
Oui, il a dit qu'il viendra demain.
Demain et samedi?
Non, demain c'est vendredi.
Oui, mais samedi c'est la fête?
Oui, il va venir.
Il va venir?
Demain on répète encore.
Donc vous n'êtes pas encore prêts?
Mais ils ont dit qu'il y a le sourire et aussi la voix et aussi la façon dont on a regardé. Et le public, que c'est pas un seul côté seulement.
Oui, aussi vous étiez comme ça un peu à vous regarder. Ok, bon, je pense que je vais voir ça demain alors.
Oui.
Ok, à demain alors. À demain. So, this is the primary. We have basically 2 primary schools. So from primary 1 to primary 6 twice. Yes. Which is something around 250 kids.
250 kids.
Yes.
On this level?
On both levels. The primary school is on 2 levels. Yes. So still, same thing here. In the classes, we are preparing the party. So You can tell we have moved everything. Good morning. We have moved everything to be ready for the party.
Is it tomorrow or Saturday?
It's Saturday.
Okay.
The big party is Saturday from 8 to 1.
8 to 1.
You should come. It will be really great. Well, there will be a lot of kids.
I'm going to send my mom. I'm supposed to be going for Boyko.
Okay.
We have to record.
Okay.
But we're going to try.
Okay.
The kids will be here.
Okay, great. That's fine. So the way we've organized the primary school is that the first 3 grades, the smallest kids are on the first level. So they don't have to climb all the way to the top. And the last 3 grades are on the next floor where we are going there.
Okay. And the school goes up to what age?
Usually when you get to the last grade, you should have between 9 and 10.
Between 9 and 10.
Yes, we don't do we don't do secondary school. Yes, we don't have it's a whole different organization. So we still have in the building the kids who are going to the exam and those who are preparing for the party. Mais je retrouve qui ici? En fait, vous me suivez?
Non, on joue à cache-cache.
Mais vous jouez à cache-cache sur mon chemin, en fait. Vous jouez à cache-cache avec moi, en fait, c'est ça. So here you have the biggest grades. So they can present themselves.
Okay.
Vous êtes en quelle classe? Vous parlez, monsieur? Siemeux. Ok. Et vous appelez comment?
Moi, je m'appelle Annelle.
Tu peux lui dire ça en anglais?
My name is Annelle. My name is Annelle. My name is Shirley. My name is Stacy. My name is Joaquin Marlon.
Yes.
My name is Julia. My name is Nick.
Okay, give me your name again. I didn't see you.
Your name.
Your name?
Il faut que tu répètes. En regardant la caméra.
My name is Julia.
Okay.
Ok. Et vous êtes dans quelle classe? Aha, we are in primary. Okay. Which is the before the last year.
Okay.
So next year will be the last year.
Yes. The seniors.
Next year they will be the bosses of the class.
bosses
Yes.
of the school.
L'année prochaine vous serez les chefs. Tu t'es présenté? Présente-toi. Non, en anglais. Il faut que tu te présentes au monsieur.
My name is Panu.
Say it again.
My name is Panu Ivan.
Nice to meet you. My name is Mama Haneera. I am TJ, Tony Jr.'s mom.
In which class is he?
He's right down there.
Ok. CP alors. Ok, great. Je vois mon bonbon. Tout le monde mange des bonbons, j'ai pas de bonbons. On est appris.
I've been coming back and forth to Africa for about 10 years, wanting to know more of my culture, my roots, and my heritage. In my travels back and forth to Africa, I initiated into Voodoo. And my home temple is here in Benin, in Alada, about 1 hour from Cotonou, where we are today. In my evolution, or paradigm shift as I like to call it, one of the things I became aware of early on was that I could no longer allow the systems to educate my child. And so I became a homeschooling parent. Back in America, there is a growing population of families that are growing tired of the culture there. Of the abuse against our people, the killings, the targeting, the food, air, and water pollution, not to mention the crime, and just all of the things that we suffer from there as Africans in America. We are at the bottom, and we are realizing that the culture that we have been given is not conducive for us.